What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weeboy. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris Sane, and today's video is about some stocks, guys, that you should load up on, given that they're being beaten down so bad. Okay, listen, guys, you already know I'm only here to make you money. I'm only here to put you guys in positions to win. And so today I'm going to give you two stocks and a couple honorable mentions for you guys to consider getting your position built out in, as well as preparing for takeoff after the election and into 2021. Okay, but guys, listen, if I could, I would give you guys some hugs and high fives, man. I'm extremely happy for so many of you guys that hit home runs on some of the option plays, whether it's Pinterest, whether it's Snap, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Neo, what have you guys. And so listen, man, keep up the good work. Let's keep getting this money. And without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. And guys, you already know it's the end of the month, and at the end of every single month, as transparent as I can be, I share with you guys my portfolio as well as my dividends. And so guys, take a look at this and make sure that you leave in the comments what you think my payout for this month will be. All right, guys, let's get to it. Okay, guys, on the road to 100K, my portfolio is currently sitting at $65,121.56. Listen, guys, we finished the day down. Okay, it's been that type of day in the market. However, if you know me and you follow this channel, then you already know those present buying opportunities, guys. Listen, man, I started this account in January. I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build a portfolio. Please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and join me on the journey to 100K. Listen, guys, today I got some stocks that I want you to consider loading up on. To kick things off, sitting at under $17, guys, what we have here is Workhorse. You should be familiar with this play. We already hit a home run with this one. For those of you that wasn't with us the first go round, or for those of you that didn't take your profits at 30 and now it's all the way back down to 16, consider your position between 16, 14, and 12. Those are the levels to start your position at. Choose one of these numbers. If you need to, let it fall a little bit more and start it lower and build it all the way up. Next, guys, is Hyliion. Ticker symbol HYLN. It is currently under $20. Guys, this is the support level for this particular stock. And so again, unless some horrible news happen, it won't fall much further. However, if you want to get into this play, this is more of a longer term play, like next year, 2022 type stuff. Okay, if you want to get your position established under $20, here's one of my honorable mention plays to consider. Okay, guys, now for my dividend investors. These are my two that I want you guys to load up on. If you are watching this and you rock with me and you are a dividend investor is just someone that likes passive income, that likes to put their army of dollars to work for them. Okay, you guys already know I'm a long-term investor and I keep 4 dividend stocks on deck at all times. One of them is AT&T. The reason why I'm putting you guys on this one is because it is under $27 and it is a great opportunity to buy this right now. Currently sitting at $26.74. Guys, go ahead and load up on this one. It's a great payout. And listen, you can begin to build passive income every single quarter like clockwork. You guys want to know what Warren Buffett do? You guys want to know what the 1% does? They have their money working for them. One way they do that is through dividend investing. And last but not least is a growth stock, otherwise known as DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG, currently sitting at 37.20, which is a buy zone. Okay, listen, guys, this stock already took off from this level before. If you can get it at 37, 36, or if it happens to hit 35 for some reason, guys, please scoop up this particular play right here. Check this out. I'm currently sitting 110 shares in this right now. And so again, as long as it's in 37 or below, I'll continue building out my position even further in this play, because I'm banking on after the election and March Madness and sports kicking off very huge after we get past all of this political stuff. Okay, so guys, I'm setting you up for another home run. If you rock with me, make sure you tap in. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope you like those stocks to load up on. Next up, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is market sell-off. Listen, guys, there will be times where you have what you have this week, okay, where it's just been a down downward spiral, okay? It's been a downward trend in the market. That is simply known as a market sell-off. Why did the market sell-off happen? Primarily because the cases of COVID had picked up. When cases of COVID pick up, investors get scared. Again, you guys know I preach when they panic, we pounce. We don't do a lot of panicking around here. However, we can't speak for everybody else. And because they do, they create a market sell-off. When they create a market sell-off, no matter what stock it is, all stocks get sold off and the market as a whole comes down. So that's what you guys are experiencing right now in several of your plays. There are a few outliers where they might be going up, but for the most part, it's a market-wide sell-off, okay? And so listen, this too shall pass. After the election, there will be no news about COVID. Things will be looking bright and rosy, and after we shake out the kinks, we'll be back on the upward trend. So that's why I'm telling you guys to get your positions now so that you guys can ride some nice waves that we have coming in the near future. Listen guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from J Law. He says, Chris, I've seen some of your videos when you discuss taking some profits, but not all. I can't think of the terminology that you use. However, when you scale back a little and stay in the play, I'm sure that's because that stock still has potential to grow. At what point would you sell and take all the profit on any given stock? J Law, man, I thank you for this question, and I'm sure my answer is going to help the whole tribe. Okay, check this out, guys. This is great. What he's talking about is a term that I taught on the channel called trim. Okay, certain plays, guys, we just going to hit a home run and there's nothing we can do about it. And as your money grows up, as your money continues to grow, sometimes you have to play with house money, and the way to do that is trim some of the profits off the top. Okay, now his question was, in addition to trim, how do I decide when to sell out altogether? Okay guys, let's walk through this very quickly. Let's say home. You guys are rocking with me, then you know we have at home, ticker symbol HOME. Okay, short term, I have a $40 price target for that play. At $40, okay, when we hit another home run with that one, I'm going to sell out of that completely. Reason being is I'm putting a cap on that particular play, okay? Again, after it hits $40, I'll come back and consider, do I want to continue holding the stock, as well as what kind of position I want to have in that play. However, certain plays like a Neo, I'm telling you guys, I told you guys all kind of stocks, not just Neo, but I told you guys at 7 that Neo will be 20. I told you then it will be 30. Okay, but I told you my long-term price target for Neo is 100. So in the case of a Neo, I would continue holding that one through all of these different benchmarks that we're going to hit, okay? However, other stocks will still hit those benchmarks, but I might not rock with the stock long term, okay? I might get out of it after we hit 2 or 3 times tripled our money, okay? And I might just pull out and say, you know what? I'm going to take the profits, I'm going to hold on to this and look for another play that they're asleep on that nobody's talking about. So that's how you go about it, J Law. I hope that was helpful. You have to put the cap on when you want to get out of the stock once it hit a certain price, okay? You determine that, not the market, not anybody else. Listen guys, if you have comments below, leave them, I'll grab them and add them to my next video. I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. I'll see you all in the next one.